The DuraPost SLEEK Aluminium Gate is a contemporary, stylish, pre-built gate solution constructed from high-quality black powder-coated aluminium. There are two products required for the full kit. The first box contains the prefabricated gate and two privacy strips. The second box contains the hardware and all fixings needed to secure. This includes a powder-coated pull handle with fixings, a set of adjustable steel hinges with fixings, a double-locking gravity latch with fixings, a stepped drill bit and a 3mm drill bit for fitting the latch. The gate measures 1.76 meters in height and 900 millimeters in width. The hinges should be fitted above and below the top and bottom cross rails respectively, using the 6x25mm panhead self-drilling screws provided. Do not use an impact driver to secure any of the fixings in this kit. The recommended gap between your gate posts is 930mm. This allows for gate swing clearances plus hinge adjustments. Hang your gate at the desired height, ensuring sufficient ground clearance below. The pull handle may be fitted at a height that suits your application. It should be fitted on the inside or opening side of the gate. Ensure that it is vertically level and central on the gate style, and then fix it with the 4x38mm panhead self-drilling screws supplied. To fit the double-locking gravity latch, refer to the instructions supplied. Depending on the size of the posts your gate is hanging on, you may need to cut the privacy strips to fit. A latch privacy strip is now supplied to ensure there are no visible gaps in the gate opening. This lines up with the fixings in the latch. Some important dimensions to consider when planning to install this gate. The maximum gate width is 900mm. The maximum gate height is 1760mm. The maximum thickness of the gate is 60mm. The approximate weight of the gate when installed is 21.5 kilograms. This gate is not designed to be adjusted in height or width. For alternative size applications, consider using the DuraPost adjustable aluminium gate frame, available in 4 powder-coated finishes, including black.